So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie D. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the Kwesiko Hakia Sophia because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyaman Institution.
Because I built a great work of China in the 6th century BC. But for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness will be the human stomach as some make.
Yes, NQB caricature.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. We like to welcome you back to the continuation of the Mathematics Quiz Bowl. We are still in the round of 24. Over the week, on Wednesday and Thursday, a series of games were played. On Wednesday, 2 games were played, and in those games, Jimmy Jolokon and the Jimmy Jolokon managed to move on to the round of 12. Another school moved on to the round of 12. And on Thursday, Sister Kathleen McGuire moved on to the round of 12. And Samoa also moved on to the round of 12. Today, on Saturday, 4 games are scheduled to be played. And the first of these games that should be played today will be the current game, Nathaniel Van Massaquoi versus the St. Claver. The second game of the day will be Grace Baptist Institute versus City Mobile. The third game of the day will be Boy Memorial Institute versus St. Pius Catholic School. And in the last game of the day today, we have St. Martin Catholic School versus Light Academy Model from Lower Margibi. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you again to the first game of the day, Nathaniel Van Massaquoi versus Claver. St. Peter Claver, please go ahead and give me 30 seconds of introduction.
Well, thank you, Fajan, for giving me the time to introduce myself. I'm student Arthur Weedy Jr. For today's match, I prefer to be called Arthur.
All right, Arthur is representing St. Peter Claver, and St. Peter Claver is from Grand Bassa County, Buchanan City. We'll move over to Nathaniel Van Massaquoi from Bong County to give us 60 seconds of intro.
In Jawa go we trust. First, I let the mother of my corner where my homo coach and all of veterans around. We came as scholars, setting for 1 year, no other student.
So, for philosopher student JCP MOBA for today battle, I remain constant.
I am successful Dr. Philip Johnson A. Group, President of the matter accident, or today I read the Olga Tuski Tour at Summit.
All right, thank you. So the folks sitting in here are the 3 rules to pay attention to. First and foremost, all standard quizzing and academic meet the challenge rule applies. All rules applies as it relates to quizzing and academics. But as it relates to mathematics, want you to pay attention to 3 rules in our competition. First thing is every question should be solved in a minute. You can solve it in 10 seconds or you can use a minute to solve it. 2, when you decide that you're going to give an answer, you do not have a minute to give an answer. You have 10 seconds to give an answer. When you decide you're going to give an answer, you have 10 seconds to give an answer. And then the third thing is you have to prove every question. You have to prove, and we will show you how to prove or what we need from you when you answer a question. Because we want to make sure that you understand your fundamentals. You're not just giving us answers. You understand your fundamentals. Saying this, I'd like to move over to Thomas Tappet, and I'll come back to you guys to read the first set of questions.
So, folks, you are highly welcome. My name is Thomas T. Tappet Jr. I think the three major rules were stated. I will emphasize on the last rule that have to do with the time aspect. You have 1 minute for a question. If you can answer the question within 30 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, that's left with you. What we say is that when you push the bell to provide an answer, you have only 10 seconds to provide an answer. There's nothing sort of getting time. If you push the bell to provide your answer, you give your answer or you provide your answer within 10 seconds. If you cannot provide your answer within 10 seconds, we cut you off. The question will go for 1 minute. If you are able to provide your answer, you have 10 seconds to provide your answer.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. So let's go straight to St. Peter Claver. What is it going to be your boozing point?
P.
All right, P. Nathan and Fanny Massaquoi. What would be
Not.
And the question is going to be number one. The question is going to be number one. Convert 4201 base 5 to base 10. Convert 4201 base 5 to base 10.
Not.
10 seconds.
Take it. Take it to be 551. Take it to be 551 base 10.
551 base 10 gave you 10 points, but proof. Proof.
Yes. Yeah, the seller is no. Was it 4 times 5 inclusive? And then will be 2 times 5 inclusive. And then will be 0 times 5 inclusive. And then will be 1 times 5 inclusive. And we're moving from the right to the left. So from the right, the first 5 is the power 0. The second 5 is the power 1. The third 5 is the power 2.
Save your breath. You understand what you're doing. Save your breath. You understand what you're doing. Take 10 points. The question is going to be number 2. Transform. Parenthesis opens. 2n. Parenthesis closes. To the power of 3 over 5 to radical form. I come again. Transform. Not. 10 seconds.
Take your answer will be the 5th root of 8 and cube.
Teach me.
This the first thing once you see there's another exponential is the power of 1 or 2 is equal to root a. So yes, it's not a with the power of 3 or 5. So rather once the denominator in the exponent there, it will be the source of the root. So it's the root of or the 5th root of parenthesis will be 2n with the power 3, and 2 with the power 3 will give you 8n cube. So that will be the 5th root of 8n cube. And there will be nothing that I can bring out, nothing that I can go on a root. I go on a root.
Take 10. The question is going to be number 3. Solve the trigonometric function. Second, parenthesis open, 29 pi over 4 parenthesis closes. I come again. Solve the trig function. Second, parenthesis opens, 29 pi over 4 parenthesis closes. Not 10 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4.
Your answer be second.
5, 6, 7,
Brethren,
8.
nothing about
Time.
uh,
CBD Claver. Solve the trick function. Seeking parenthesis open to the number or full parenthesis closes. You got 10 seconds.
Answer, Sergeant.
The answer is minus root 2. Minus the root of 2. Minus the root of 2. Thomas Tape, over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the school raised 20 points to National Valley Massaquoi from Bong County and 0 to St. Peter Claver Catholic School from Grand Bassa County. The margin is 20 points in favor of St. The margin is 20 points in favor of St. Peter.
No,
With how much time to wait? Sorry.
Massaquoi.
The margin is 20 points in favor of National Valley Massaquoi. With no time to waste, move on to the next 3 questions. 1 second, please.
we're not getting you.
The question is question number 4. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. Question number 4. And I read. The complement of an angle is twice the angle. Find the angle.
Nah.
10
Nah.
seconds.
Get it.
Teach me.
Yeah, we know complement is 90 is 90. So we say 90 minus x is equal to 2x. So we say another x is equal to 90 is equal to 3x. We divide by 3. So the x is equal to 30.
10 points. The question is question number 5. And I read. A class has 12 boys and 8 girls. 2 students are selected at random. What is the probability that both are girls?
Peter.
Peter.
What is the answer?
Yes, Sergeant. I'm aware of nothing else but
1, 2,
2 or 5.
2 or 5, you are wrong. 2 or 5, you are wrong. A class has 12 boys and 8 girls.
Nah.
2 students,
Not
different breath.
secret breath.
What is the answer?
4 or 25.
4 or 25, you are also wrong. The correct and precise answer is 14 or 95. 14 or 95.
You said why replacement?
No, the probability of what you saw in Peter 2 or 5 is the probability of getting a girl. I said 2 girls. What you saw in Peter is just the probability of getting a girl. The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Solve for x. 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. I read again. Solve for x. 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 27 raised to the power x plus 2.
Nah.
9 raised to the power...
Peter.
Not 10 seconds.
X is equal to nothing about 8.
Hold on. We have a technical glitch on the part of Sergeant Thomas. So hold on. You say x is equal to 8. All right. So hold on. I have the answer. Hold on right there. You'll be back. You say x is equal to 8. You don't need any other answer. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first game of the day, a continuation of the round of 24 of the math quiz bowl games for Liberian schools. We have Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi from Bong County versus St. Peter Claver from Grand Bassa County. The score is 30 points to Nat and 0 to St. Peter. Thomas, please go ahead. He said 8. He said 8. Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi said 8.
Nathaniel Massaquoi said 8. Teach me.
Yeah, fair. This is that easy. He said now it's about 2 and 1 is going to it's about x plus 2. So we'll look for some of the both base the same. So now you make 3 the base of the same and 3 so say 3 raised to the power of 2 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 times x plus 2. So now the both base are the same now. So we multiply the exponent will be 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 2 equal 3 raised to the power of 3x plus 6. So the both base of the 4x minus 2 equal
10 points. And folks, that's how we come to the end of the first 6 questions. The score is 40 points to Nat and 0 to St. Peter.
All right. The question is going to be number 6. Number 7. Questions number 7. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
St. Peter, can you hear me? St. Peter, are you there?
Remove the end on that again. So remove.
You're right.
On that again.
Right. Thomas, please check your inbox. So, ladies and gentlemen, we give a few seconds to St. Peter to rejoin us. But as it stands, the score is Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi 40 points and St. Peter Claver 0. This is a continuation of the round of 24 of the mathematics quiz bowl.
I did.
I'm not seeing it. It's not in the group.
Like seriously?
No.
Oh. So folks, welcome once again.
Okay. St. Peter, can you hear us now?
Yeah, Pedro.
Okay, I'm moving on to question number 7. Moving on to question number 7. We're moving on to question number 7. Moving on to question number 7. Solve the absolute value inequality. Solve the absolute value inequality. The absolute bracket open, 2x plus 1, it closes, is greater than minus 1 over 2. Solve the absolute value inequality. The absolute value brackets open, 2x plus 1, is greater than minus 1 over 2.
Peter.
St. Peter.
Yes, Pedro. My answer in studio is x will be greater than minus 3 over 4 and x will be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. St. Peter.
Yes, Pedro. My answer in studio x will be greater than minus 3 over 4 and x here again will be.
Take time.
Okay.
Time. Solve the absolute value inequality. Absolute value brackets open, 2x plus 1. It closes, is greater than minus 1 over 2. You got 10 seconds.
Nah. X will be greater than minus 3 over 4. X is less than minus 1 over 4.
Teach me. Proof.
Yeah. Yeah, the first thing we'll do, we said answer the value of 2x plus 1 is greater than minus 1 or 2. So the first we'll do, we'll take the 1 when the answer the value by carry equal. So now 2x is greater than minus 1 or 2 plus 1 because the positive sign going as a value will not positive. So now we're going to be now 2x greater than minus 1 or 2 plus 1. So multiply 2 across. So now 4x is greater than minus 1 plus 2. So divide both by 4. So again, now 4x is greater than minus 3, and we divide and 4 and x is greater than minus 3 or 4. Then we come back to the next equation. You know, you gotta be 2. So now we multiply the equation.
Save your breath. Save your breath. Take 10 points. Save your breath. Take 10 points. The question is going to be number 8. The question is going to be number 8. 2 fair dice are rolled.
Wait. Simpita, are you there?
Simpita Claver.
Probably so.
Move in. The region.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are with Simpita again. The score here is 50 points to Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi and 0 to Simpita. This is the Math Quiz Bowl 2024, and this is the round of 24. This is the round of 24. Yeah. 4 schools have qualified already. Jimmy Julukon qualified for the round of 12. Dream School System qualified for the round of 12. Samoa International qualified for the round of 12. And of course, Sister Captain Maguire joined the back. All right. So some exciting games will be played tomorrow. We hope to see the likes of CW play tomorrow. CW is scheduled to play Fit Foundation. Pat Melia is scheduled to play Amadia. Todd Meha is scheduled to play Open Bible. And I think CMFI is scheduled to play Ken or Formula AAA. Simpita Claver, can you hear me?
Yeah, Pedro.
All right, Simpita Claver, if you can hear me, we waited for you, so now I'm going to read the question. Questions number 8. Please pay attention. Questions number 8. 2 fair dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum is 7 or the sum is full? 2 fair dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum is 7 or 1 die is full? I repeat the question. 2 fair dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum is 7 or 1 die is a full? What is the probability that the sum is a 7 or 1 die is a full?
Nah.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
1 over 216.
Come again?
1 over 216.
1 over 216 is not my answer. Wrong. 2 fair die are rule. What is the probability that the sum is a 7 or 1 die is a full?
Yeah, Pedro.
Yeah.
Peter. P, Pedro.
Yeah, answer.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'm aware of 90 years, but 1 or 6?
You're wrong. The answer is 185 over 468. The answer is 185 over 468. The question is going to be number 9. The last question to end the first half. The question is going to be number 9. The last question to end the first half. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle. Simpita, are you there?
Yeah, Pedro.
All right. Nad, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Find the area of a triangle, and A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 10. Find the area of a triangle. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 10.
BC. So E.
Yeah.
Very manufactured. Nah.
Not.
Peter.
Not. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now, take as the root of 132. Or if I simplify.
The root of
Eh?
132. The root of 132. You're wrong.
Yeah.
You're wrong. See, Peter, what is my answer?
Peter.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Fedrin. I'm aware of the root of 1056.
The root of 1056, you're wrong. It should be the root of 264, which can be about 16.24. The root of 264, which can be about 16.24. Thomas, stop it. Second half, please.
So folks, want to say you're highly welcome. Without much time to waste, move directly. Hello, pay attention. You're in studio, guys. Without much time to waste, we move directly on to the second half. Question is question number 1, second half. The score is 50 points to Nat and 0 to Team Peter. Both schools, are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Question
Fedrin.
is question number 1. And I read. A person is 24 years older than their child. I read again. A person is 24 years older than their child. In 2 years, the person will be twice as old as their child. How old are they now?
Come again.
A person is 24 years older than their child. In 2 years, the person will be twice as old as their child. How old are they now?
Now.
Not.
Now,
You have 10 seconds.
10
What is
seconds.
your answer?
22. 22 is a person. 22 is the child. Then the person will be
1.
46.
22 is a child and the person will be 46. Teach me.
Chaka. Yeah. You say the person is 24 years older than the child. So let's deliver a child A to be C and the person will be 24 plus C. Thinking by he say 2 years from now, which year you add to the everything. So be 24 plus C plus 2 and the child will be C plus 2. So now we can say 24 plus C plus 2 is equal to twice the age of the child, 2 times C plus 2. So now 26 plus C.
30 points. 20 points. Question is question number 2. Second half. And I read for both schools. Given that P is equal to 1 plus the root of 2 and Q is equal to 1 minus the root of 2. Simplify or evaluate it. Parenthesis open. P squared minus Q squared equals this, all divided by 2P cubed. I read again. Given that P is equal to 1 plus the root of 2 and Q is equal to 1 minus the root of 2. Simplify or evaluate it. Parenthesis open. P squared minus Q squared equals this, all divided by 2P cubed.
Peter.
Peter, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
Yeah, Sergeant. I'm aware of nothing else in studio for Manon 2 or 3.
Minus 2 or 3, you are wrong. The question for the last time, and after I read the question, you have 10 seconds to provide answer. Not. What is your answer?
Minus root 2.
Come again?
Minus root 2.
Minus root 2. You can close, but yes, still fast. Minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 were been precise. Minus 2 root 2 were been precise. And that was question number 2 for the second half.
Very easy, minus root 2.
Yeah, minus 2 root 2 were been precise. Minus 2 root 2. We move on to the second half.
I have no question. You get me?
B5, what is your plan?
Yeah. He said P square minus Q square or 2PQ. And you know that the first one P square minus Q square, so it'll be 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 minus 2 root 2. Right? And when simplify up there, it will be equal to root 2 plus root 2 all over 2 times minus 1. So root 2 plus root 2 they back 2 root 2 all over minus 2 again minus root 2. Please follow I beg you.
Why are you
I said
hello, let's be fast with this. Pay attention. There's a different square. P square minus Q square. There's a different square. So in solving a different square, you turn to first one, the second one, you know that rule. So the first equation, when you solve the first equation, you'll be left with 4 the root of 2. You got that? For the first equation?
No, it'll be 2 root 2. It'll be 2 root 2.
No, it can't be 2 root 2. Listen to the hello, don't waste my time. Pay attention. When you solve the first equation, that is, you'll be having 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 2. You get that?
Yeah, but it's a different square.
Yeah, you have that for the first equation.
Yeah, just use 1 plus 2 root 2 into 1 minus 2 root 2.
Hello, 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 2. You have that in your for the first solving.
Yeah.
If you don't have that, then check. You have that for the first solving.
Yeah, if you simplify it, it
is. Hello, are you paying attention? Are you paying attention, or you want to talk? I'm asking you a question. Do you have this the first solution 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 2? Do you have that?
Yeah.
So if you simplify this, 1 minus 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give you what? Plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give you what?
It will give you 4 root 2.
4 root 2. So what's the argument for? What are you saying?
Yeah.
1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2 will give you what?
So 3 plus 1 there will give you 4.
What is 3 plus 1?
Yeah, why you see this is a difference of 2 square, right?
Yeah, difference of 2 square.
Yeah, P minus Q, P square minus Q square. So it's also P minus Q and P plus Q, right?
It's also what?
So it's also P minus Q.
How do you solve the difference of 2 square? How do you solve it?
Yeah, that follow as a P square minus Q square is equal to P minus Q into P plus Q.
Right? You are not seeing your mistake. I don't want to
proceed. Thomas, let's do this. We can go back.
Let me just solve it for him quick. I don't want us to prolong on this. So let's answer quick and do this quick. So the first one is you use how they call it, difference of 2 square.
Yeah.
So we say 1 times 1 will give you what?
1 times 1 is 1, but then 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2.
Hello, are you paying attention? 1 times 1 will give you what?
1.
1 times minus 2 will give you what?
Minus root 2.
Root 2 times 1 will give you what?
Root 2 times 1 give you root 2.
Root 2 times minus root 2 will give you what?
Will give you minus root 2.
Okay, minus root 2. Root 2 times minus root 2.
Root 2 times root 2 times minus root 2 will give you 2. When minus 2 minus 2. It will give minus 2.
Thomas, you have to put this at rest. If
so simple.
If he has if he met his quam, then that means he have to go through. When he go to the further channel, we cannot stick on this for more than a minute or so.
That procedure are wrong. Before going to
you are wrong. You have to
the next reading. I will how to call it. Solve it down for you. When procedure is reading, I will solve it and tell you the solution.
All right.
Okay.
So the last question, the question number last. That's question number 3. The question is question number 3, and I read. Find the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic sequence.
You breaking in.
Are you hearing me?
Come.
Are you hearing me?
I can hear you, Thomas.
Yeah.
Peter, are you hearing me too?
Yeah, fair.
Find the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic sequence. 1, 4, 7.
Not.
No.
Not.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Take us to B. You getting me?
Your answer.
You getting me? 3,725.
3,725. Teach me.
Yeah. The formula is Tn equal n over 2 in the bracket will be 2a1 plus parenthesis will be n minus 1 equals into d. And we notice that the a there is what the first thing. So a1 is the first thing. Then the number of things is what is 50. So therefore the difference there is what 3 because 4 minus 1 is 3 and 7 minus 4 is also 3. So what's now 50 over 2 into bracket open 2 times 1 plus parenthesis open 50 minus 1 it closes into d. So whether we can apply the other operation there. So 50 over 2 will be 25.
10 points. 10 points.
The question is going to be number 4, second half. Let's get to business. Question is number 4, second half. Angle A has a measure of 7x plus 5, and angle B has the measure of 28x. These angles are supplementary. Find the value of angle A and B. I come again. Angle A has the measure of 7x plus 5, and angle B has the measure of 28x. These angles are supplementary. What will be the value of angle A and angle B?
Is that supplementary or complementary?
Supplementary. So do
Nah.
Not.
I
10 seconds. 1, 2,
Take your also be
35, 34.
Time. We lost in Peter, so we're going to give them a split second to get back to us. We lost in Peter, and we're going to give them some time to get back to us.
Yeah,
yeah, man, was you see this.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever.
So, Peter, what is my answer?
I hear the question, Ferdinand.
Okay. If you hear the question, I'm sorry. I read the question 3 times. I'm sorry. And
Yep.
I read the question 3 times, so I'm sorry. The answer is angle A is 40 degrees and angle B is 140 degrees. Angle A is 40 degrees and angle B is 140 degrees. The question is going to be number 5, second half. Solve the system of equation. Solve the system of equation. Equation 1. 2x plus 5y is equal to 11. Equation 2. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. I can make it. Solve this.
Peter.
Not.
X is equal to 5. I can make X is equal to 3. And Y is equal to 1.
Prove your answer.
You get me? Yeah. You said system of equation 2x plus 5y equal 11 and 3x minus 5y equal 4. So this one just easy because once y have negative and positive, so we get it easy. So now what we do, we cancel the minus 5y and the positive 5y, we cancel. So now we add it down, it called elimination method. So now we eliminate positive 5y and negative 5y.
Save your breath. You understand what you're doing. Take 10 points. Question is going to be number 6. Find 3 consecutive integers. Please pay attention. Find 3 consecutive integers such that 6 times the sum of the first and the third is 24 greater than 11 times the second. I come again. Find 3 consecutive integers such that 6 times the sum of the first and the third is 24 greater than 11 times the second. Find 3 consecutive integers such that 6 times the sum of the first and the third is 24 greater than 11 times the second.
Now, you get me?
Not 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Take the number be
1,
23. You get me? 23 is the first, 24 is the second, and that 25 is the third.
You're wrong. Repeated Claver. Find 3 consecutive integers such that 6 times the sum of the first and the third is 24 greater than 11 times the second.
Yeah, Ferdinand.
Yes.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Yeah, Ferdinand, what up? 6, 7, and 8.
Wrong. 24, 22, 24, and 26. 22, 24, and 26.
Yeah, Ferdinand.
Yeah, don't waste my time, my friend. Don't waste my time.
Yeah,
6.
yeah, I was there, Tom.
Pay attention.
You said,
Pay attention to me. Oh, yeah, hold on. Pay attention to me. I'm not looking at the setup. Pay attention to me. 6, parenthesis opens. X plus 4 is equal to 11. Parenthesis open. X plus 2 plus 24.
yep, my comment is Is that consecutive individual? That's a consecutive individual or individual consecutive individual.
My friend, however you do the math, it will be 24,
No,
22,
no,
24, 26.
no, the
what's the
pattern, if it's a consecutive individual pattern, it's not consecutive individual or consecutive
Three
or individual.
consecutive integers. Whatever you have,
consecutive
Yeah,
integer?
math.
What my even or odd? He did not tell you
yeah.
even. He
If
did
it's a
not tell you
consecutive,
odd. So what?
My
if
friend,
it's a consecutive individual
22,
is X.
hold on, 22, 24, 26. Whether it's or it's even, is consecutive. I did not.
They are
You
consecutive,
wrong
but the
in your
pattern are
setup.
different.
Excuse me. You're wrong in your setup. Don't waste my time. If you had your setup right, your answer will be correct. You're wrong in your
It's
setup.
just the pattern.
Oh,
The
no,
pattern.
Forget about the answer. What was your setup?
My setup was 6 in the pattern of being X plus 2
Wrong.
equals
Wrong.
24.
Wrong. 3 consecutive integers such as 6 times the sum of the first and the sum of the third. The sum of the first is what? X. And the third is what? X plus 4. It's X plus 2, and X plus 4. It's
That was
even
every pattern is
X
equal.
plus 4.
Consecutive every pattern.
I'm not arguing with you. Your setup
Let's
is
proceed.
wrong.
Let's proceed.
Your setup is wrong. Thomas, that was
Let's,
question 5, right?
let's proceed.
Yeah, I think it was 5. Second half.
I read solve the system of equation. The question is number 6. The question is going to be number 6. E is 45 non-tetra angle. E is 45 non-tetra angle. The length of the two equal sides is 5√2. What is the length of the hypotenuse? E is 45 non-tetra angle. The length of the two equal sides is 5√2 respectively. What is the length of the hypotenuse?
Peter.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, Sergeant. I'm aware of nothing else but 10.
Yeah,
Proof.
Yes, Sergeant. The 45 90 angle is x with 2. So if we get the two sides to be, find the root of 2, find the root of 2, and if you, the Pythagorean theory says c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So if you square the both equal sizes, you get 50 plus 50. And if you put it under the root, 50 plus 50 will be 100. The root of 100 is 10.
Take 10 points, Simply Claver. Take 10. Thomas Sabe, back to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 80 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi. The score is 80 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi and 10 points to Simpedia. The margin is 70 points in favor of Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi. We have 3 more questions to climax this game and move on to the next game. So, before going on to question number 7, I think quickly clarify the question I read to you, and I'm not going. I just want to give you the solving and I'm going to teach you on the solving. So the question I read to you, p square minus q square or 2pq. So p square is the difference of square, that is for instance a plus b equals to square. A plus b equals to square. The solving is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And for the other part that has to do with the negative part, for instance a minus b equals to square, the solving is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You understand? You understand
yeah,
that
Sergeant,
solution?
someone materially.
Okay, so we proceed. The question is question number 7, and I read for both schools. Question number 7. Mary has a monthly salary of 1,200. She spent 280 per month on food. What
Two,
percentage of her, pay attention, I read
Please
the
pay
game.
attention to
Don't
that.
call me out. If you call me out again, I'll give you my answer. I'm reading for both schools, not your one. I read the game. Mary has a monthly salary of 1,200. She spent $280 per month on food. What percentage of her monthly salary does she spend on food?
I'm getting you.
I read for the
I'm
last
getting
time.
you.
I read for the last time. Mary has a monthly salary of $1,200. She spent $280 per month on food. What percentage of her monthly salary does she spend on food?
On food, right? Nah.
Not
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Take your answer to be 20,
One.
23 point, 23.3%. Get me?
What is the
Get
answer?
me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. What is the answer?
I said 23.3% or 33%. 23.33%. No.
Hold on. I think Thomas is having a technical glitch. So give Thomas a second. Give Thomas a second. What was the answer again? Please repeat your answer.
I said 23.33%.
23.33%. All right. So give Thomas a split second. He'll be right back. So I'm meeting your answer. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first game of the day. It is about to end. One or two more questions. The score here is 80 points to Nathaniel Vandy Massaquoi and 10 points to Cynthia Claver, matching 70 points in favor of Nathaniel Vandy Massaquoi. This is the round of 24. Nathaniel Vandy Massaquoi, if you win this game, you have to watch the game between CMFR and Ken, or formerly Triple A. You have to watch that game because you will be playing the winner from that game. The winner from CMFR versus Ken. You'll be playing them in the next round. So we await Thomas Stappen.
So, folks, welcome once again. So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Hakia Sophia, because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga Institution.
We got build a great work of China States NQBGLS for today battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness will be the human stomach as from it.
Yes, NQBGLS.
All right, Nathaniel Vandy Massaquoi, proof your answer.
Yeah. You said you call it simple. As like you said, the most I want is 200, and you spent $280 So you made a question, so whether it's 280 or the total amount of money you can get within a month will be 280 or 1,200 times 100. So whether now you try to get from zero, so be now 28 times 5 or over 12 when multiply you give 14 times 5, you give 700 or 3, you give 23.33.
Take 10 points. Move on to question number 8, second half. Question is number 8. Given that the ratio, please pay attention. Given that the ratio of m to x is 5 to 2, and the ratio of x to y is 3 to 1, find the ratio of m to x to y. I come again. Given that the ratio of m to x is 5 to 2, and the ratio of x to y is 3 to 1, find the ratio of m to x to y.
Now,
10 seconds.
3 to 2 to 1.
3 to 2 to 1. Hold on. 3 to 2 to 1.
I come again. 5 to 2 to 1.
Wrong. See,
Yeah, ba.
given that the ratio of m to x is 5 to 2, and
Free one, man.
y is 3 to 1, find the ratio of m to
Now we find us.
Oh, faire une merde, c'est ça, bien.
Nah, if you
Nobody, you take
continue now,
minus
minus
5.
5. Okay, minus 5.
Simply that you got 20 or seconds.
Il y a plus 8. Bah.
Given that the ratio of m to x is 5 to 2, and the ratio of x to y is 3 to 1, find the ratio of m to x to y. 10 seconds.
Yeah, Ferdinand. The answer be 5 to 2 to 1.
Wrong. The answer is 15 to 6 to 2. 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 And that's how we come to the end of question number 8. Thomas, question number 9.
Question number 9, the last question of the climax this game. And I read, acute angle x and y are inside a red triangle. I read again. Acute angle x and y are inside a red triangle. If x is 4 less than 1/3 of 21, what is y? If x is 4 less than 1/3 of 21, what is y? I read for the last time. Acute angles x and y are inside a red triangle. If x is 4 less than 1/3 of 21, what is y?
Acute angle are up to 90 degrees.
Peter.
Your answer is simply there.
Yeah, Ferdinand. Y will be 80.
Come again?
Y will be 80.
You are wrong. Acute angle x and y are inside a right triangle. If x is 4 less than 1/3 of 21, what is y?
It is 6 degrees.
It is 6 degrees, very close. Yes, still far. The correct answer is 87 degrees. 87 degrees. So, folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful match. The score is 85 points to Nat and 10 points to St. Peter. And the margin here we have in studio is 75 points in favor of Nat.
Right. Oh, so you give the -5, right? The -5 apply.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 85 points margin, Thomas. They have 90.
They have 90. Yeah, they have 90, 85. St. Peter got 10 points.
Oh, St. Peter got 10 points. No problem.
Yeah,
Nah.
25 points.
Yeah.
25 point
I have
margin.
a point.
Yeah, what is your point?
Yeah, I don't know the cause of Manafa.
Because you're disturbing.
No, you know Manafa, yeah.
No. You answer, you miss it, and you couldn't give your opponent a chance to pay attention. You
I didn't want. You told
you,
me like if I do,
Veteran Thomas gave you. I say that Veteran Thomas gave you -5. I say that.
ah,
I you say you do it, but Veteran Thomas gave you -5.
He kept disturbing Steelers, so he took
All right.
-5.
So that's the end of the game. The score here is 85 points to Nathan Fanny Massaquoi and 10 points to St. Peter Claver. So guys, St. Peter, please go back to your drawing board and add more studies. Know the reasons why these questions are being asked is for your own set of fundamentals. Nathan Fanny Massaquoi, the next round is a round of 12. The questions level are going to intensify. So please put in more work and thank you for the win today to move on to the round of 12. So we see you next week. Thank you for your time.
Perdão.
To the audience out there, please join us for the next game of the day, where we are expecting to see Thomas. Is it the Elizabeth Silly versus Grace Baptist?
Sure.
Grace Baptist Institute versus Elizabeth Silly Mulbach. That game is going to be held in a split second. Thank you for your time.